Most people think the Pakistan Stock Exchange is just gambling. But real investors look at signals before investing. So how do smart investors decide whether the PSX could become bullish or bearish? First, what is PSX? The Pakistan Stock Exchange is a market where people buy shares of companies like banks, cement companies, oil and gas firms, fertilizer companies, and tech businesses. When these companies grow, their profits grow, and often their share prices rise too. Now, here's the important part. Most beginners don't understand. The stock market moves on expectations of the future, not just current news. For example, if investors believe interest rates will fall soon, the market may rise before the rate cut even happens. Why? Because lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper, businesses more profitable, and stocks more attractive than bank savings. Now let's talk about the biggest indicators investors watch in Pakistan. Number 1. Interest rates. High interest rates usually hurt the stock market. Lower rates often support a bullish market. Number 2. Inflation. If inflation keeps rising aggressively, markets become nervous because business costs increase. Number 3. Dollar rate. A rapidly rising dollar can create economic pressure and fear in the market. Number 4. Political stability. Markets hate uncertainty. Stable governments usually improve investor confidence. Number 5. Company earnings. If major companies report strong profits, investors become more optimistic. And here's something many people don't know. Foreign investors and large institutions can move the market heavily with big buying or selling activity. So sometimes the market rises even when public sentiment is negative. Now, the most important question: where should beginners invest? Many beginners make the mistake of buying random hot stocks. Instead, focus on fundamentally strong companies, consistent profits, good dividend history, strong management, low debt, long-term growth sectors, and never invest money you may urgently need, because stock markets move in cycles. Short-term volatility is normal, but long-term investing is where real wealth is usually created. Wait for next video about top financial ratios you must look before investing in a company. Follow FinTok by HB for simple finance and stock market concepts explained in under 100 seconds.